Printing.
Oh! Ah. Right, can you turn that off so I can do my speech a bit? Do you want to just sit there when I do it? Can you be quiet? I get a wee bit nervous when you watch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again this week. I know I was bad last week and I had a week off. I phoned in sick, which was naughty, but I'm back now. I'm actually moving into my new flat tomorrow, so this is the last you'll see of this, whatever kind of background you want to call that. So I'm working on it. Today we are going to go over this eye look here, totally based on the way that Chrisspy applies her eyeshadow. So I love how open it is. It makes the eyes look really big and doll-like, and it is suitable for nights out, balls, proms, birthdays, whatever. But it's actually really easy to create and it's a little bit different than your usual smoky eye. So we'll go through that today. Also, if you have been reading my blog SASSBOMB, you'll see that I am doing a humongous giveaway. You can enter that on Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram at Genevieve and you can follow SASSBOMB at SASSBOMB Beauty. And the giveaway is massive. Loads of entries so far. Thank you so much everybody for getting involved, and to everyone who's been reading sassbomb.com, I love you. Thanks so much. I'll be back next week with another video for you. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to do this look. Bye! So starting off with Soft Ochre by MAC as usual, and I'm just buffing that all over the lid as per always. If anyone knows a good eye primer, tell me what it is because I want to try a new one. I am bored. Just a light even layer, and I always go under the lower lash line as well. Then I'm going in with the Vegas Lights palette by Geek, which is currently my favourite palette. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The colours are stunning and the shadows themselves are like butter. So I'm going in with a colour called Desert Sands, and I'm using that in the crease, but instead of going round the crease like you naturally would, I'm going to buff that pretty much straight into the eyebrow. So this is what's going to give it that really wide open look, and it is a bit of a change up for me, and I absolutely love it. I think it's a great look. And then as usual, I'm just going to use that colour underneath the lower lash line as well. Going in with the colour Mirage, which is a beautiful kind of highlighting light colour, I suppose, but the coverage is beautiful. It's really, really brightening, so it's perfect for creating that kind of cut crease effect almost. So I've just used that on the brow bone, and I'm using it in the kind of inner corner / lower lid. Now I'm taking a tiny little brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and I'm going in with the colour Bada Bing, and I'm using that as my crease colour. So that's the darkest colour that I'm going to be using today. And I'm just kind of accentuating the crease, making it really, really dark. I'm going back and forward into the product all the time, making sure that the colour itself is really built up. And I'm just kind of blending upwards as I go. And then under the eye, I'm going to use the DoubleWear pencil. These are my favourite pencils right now, and this colour is Coffee. And I'm going in the waterline, and then I'm going to drag that underneath the lash line of the lower lid. Lower lash. And then I'm going to go back in with a pencil brush and the colour Bada Bing from the palette just to smoke that out. The pencil's a really fab base for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go back in with, actually not back in, I've not used it yet, the colour Roulette, which is a really beautiful warm kind of brown. And I'm just going to use that to diffuse the dark brown into the kind of light brown. Constantly blending. The brushes I'm using mostly are Zoeva from the Luxe Set, which are absolutely beautiful. Then going in with my favourite liner, Illamasqua Gel, and this is a little Zoeva liner brush, which is £5.95, I might add, and I absolutely love it. And I'm just starting not right in at the inner eye, I'm starting kind of halfway along, and then I'm going to do nice big flicks, because as I said, this look is quite crispy, kind of orientated, and she loves a flick with this kind of look. Making sure the colour is really intense and pigmented.
Coating of mascara, I'm just using Masquara by Illamasqua, a nice black mascara. And then I'm going to go back in with the colour Bada Bing from the palette and just smoke the liner up a little bit. Then I'm going in with Eldora false eyelashes in B194. Get that glue tacky in however what way you want to. I like to have fun. Pop those lashes on. I like using a mirror underneath my eye so I can see exactly where I'm placing the lash. And that is the finished eye look. Super defined cut crease with a little twist. And I'm absolutely loving this palette, and that's just one way to wear this palette. There's so many different ways. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Excuse the bare nails. I know